Guys, good morning. I have this one is an Acura Tlx 2015. We're replacing the glass and we're using the GT. Remember, this week I'm using the GT. That's why you saw me with many tools, but I always use the best. Okay, this week is for GT, the final cut. Let's make a cut. The line is older, so I gotta get careful. Some areas, especially on those dots right there. Slowly. We had a double gap in the middle. Just slowly let it cut. Soon I just cross the middle, feels less stress. So you driving this drill and this speed, you will never have any problem. No breaking lines, no cuts, no the system sliding or turning or kicking your hand, because sometimes the drill kick and they're hard a little bit. Right there, I got the pin. Alright. Let me make a little turn here. I'm going to cross that corner. Almost there. Gravity stop. Right there. Okay, and now let's go the other side, and we almost finished. Right there. What I like with the system is you have two ways while you're turning the tool. Okay, so let me just hold with the glass, it's more easy. Gravity stop. Carrying, not a big deal. Fab with the cord. Just go slow. Now, in this case, if you see these guys coming, you know, it's try to go out. I'm gonna give you a little tricky. That's what I do. This is what I'm gonna do. You see my line, so I'm going to lose this cord right here before this guy is just there. You go. You're going to just pull cord from this one, so like this. Okay, so you're going to get more cord. Okay, and then what you're going to do is go out like this, turn around, and if you want to hold it, you can do that. Sorry about that. And we're gonna just hold this guy a little bit. There you go. So the gravity stop is stuck, but it's no big deal because we couldn't, you see, and there you go. That's the gravity stop. Remember, we trapped that guy. There you go. And that's it. And you see what we do is just turn around and just pull it and cut this corner with not much stress. Okay guys, we already cut them out, so I'm gonna reinstall. I'm gonna go fast because it's gonna rain, and see you next shot. Thank you so much.